Hi everyone, welcome to Binfo Smart Planter Seedling Instruction. Fill the tank with water in the level 40 liter. We're going to add fertilizer solution A and B to the water. The caps of the bottle can be used to measure if you don't have any measurement cup at home, and it should be 9 cups of each solution. The proportion of them is 40 liter water with 250 mm A with 250 mm B. Firstly, mix the fertilizer solution A with water. Stir it evenly. And then mix the fertilizer solution B. Again, stir it evenly.
Precautious: do not mix A and B alone. First, let's tear the sponge one by one. And soak the sponge into the water. Squeeze them to accelerate the sponge to absorb enough water. Slot the soaking sponge into the net pot and make sure the sunken side is placed upward. Let's place this net pot into the cell of the seedling cover. And place the seeds in the middle of the sponge. Now we've finished all the seed planting, and let's place this seedling tray upon the tank. To tap down the anti-overflow water pipe. Turn on the power.
Irrigation is on auto mode. Spray the seeds 2 or 3 times each day before germination, or just cover plastic wrap on top and stay still for 3 or 6 days until they grow cotyledon. Turn on the light of seedling layer when it grows cotyledon. Remove the plastic wrap but still need to spray in case of the seedling scorching. Add water in the tray and then align the sponge in it. The water should get in touch with the bottom of the sponge. Plant the seeds into the cube. Spray the sponge fully wet. Cover another tray on top to shading the germination process. Transplant the seedling to the seedling layer of the planter after 2 or 3 days when the seeds sprouted. Spray to keep humidity during the germination. Tear the sponge with the seedling and slot into the net pot. Put the net pot into the cell of the seedling layer and spray it often. There's the alternative. Tear the sponge first and plant the seeds after. Choose a way whatever you feel more comfortable. Place the tissue on the tray and spray with some water until it gets fully wet. Sprinkle the seeds in there and spray again, and cover the plastic wrap, then put another tray on top to shading for 3 or 5 days. Stay still for about 3 days and transplant the sprouted seeds into the net pot. Transfer the sprouted seeds in about 3 days and put the net pot into the seedling cover and spray it often.